If you want to know how I got this makeup look using only products from Indian brands along with my pro makeup tips, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, my name is Muskan Ingorani and I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to be showing with you all how I got this makeup look using makeup products from Indian brands. And since these are Indian makeup brands, they are also cruelty free, which I really love, and I only support cruelty free brands right now. So yeah, I really like that all Indian brands are cruelty free because it is mandated by the law. So in today's video I'm going to be giving you the goodness of not only products from our own country, which is India, as well as being cruelty free products. So yeah, it's a mixture of two great worlds which I'm so excited about. So yeah, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Let's start with the makeup now. I've already moisturized my skin using the Plum Moisturizer, and I've let it sit for 2-5 minutes because it is necessary for the moisturizer to sink into your skin nicely. Okay, now I'm going to be doing the next step, which is using a primer. The primer I'm going to be using is this one by Color Bar. Okay, I really like this one. This is I think my second or third tube. I really like it. In fact, it's almost over. I have to really squeeze it out to get out the end drips. So yeah, so I have taken a little bit on my hands, and now I'm going to apply it using my fingers. I feel the fingers are the best way to apply your primers. Okay, so since it's a gel primer and it really helps smoothen out my skin, and I have a little bit of pore issue, so yeah, I like to apply it on my pores over here and all over my skin to smoothen out the texture of my skin as well, and it really helps in making my makeup more long lasting. If you have skin which is textured, then primer is going to be a game changer for you because it really helps in smoothing out your skin as well. So yeah, this one from the Indian market by Color Bar is absolutely my favorite. You can definitely go ahead with it, and it will definitely suit a lot of skin types. The next product that I'm going to be applying is a foundation. Okay, now the foundation I'm going to be using is again from Color Bar. Okay, it's this stick foundation. It's a full cover stick. Okay, so basically it has a very good coverage. I won't say full coverage, but definitely above a medium coverage. So yeah, you can use this to apply. The only drawback of this is that it is not available in a lot of shades. It is only 3 shades, and it's a very huge drawback. But the new range that they have a lot of shades. So yeah, I'm going to apply this now. But I'm going to let the primer sink in for about 2-3 minutes again, because if I apply immediately it will slide. So make sure that you wait for 2-3 minutes, and after that you apply a foundation. So now I'm going to be using this foundation, which is by Color Bar as I mentioned, and now I'm going to be using my fingers. Okay, I'm going to melt it like this, and then I'm going to dot it over my face. Blend it using my foundation buffing brush. Okay, and so basically I've applied, and I'll see how much I need more. Okay, after blending it all up. Okay, don't forget to apply your foundation on your neck as well. Okay, and everywhere. So now this is a full cover makeup stick. So basically it is so good coverage that I can apply it as my concealer as well. And since I don't have any concealer from Indian market, so I'm applying this one only as my concealer. So I just applied it on my eyes as well. Not a lot, but a little bit to give me just a bare minimum coverage. Okay, so I think the coverage now looks really awesome. Okay, now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying a cream contour. Okay, so the one I'm going to be using is from Nykaa, and it is from this palette. You can see the dark brown shade over here. It's a contour shade. Okay, so now after foundation, before setting it with powder, I'm going to be applying this. Okay, I really like that the pan is big enough that such a big brush is also fitting in quite nicely. I really like that about this. So yeah, and it is quite creamy, easy to blend, and I really like it. Little bit too overboard, which I am feeling a little right now. So what I'm going to be doing is just taking the foundation brush which I applied foundation with, and I'm just going to go over with it. See, that took down the intensity so much because it already had some foundation left in it. so it took down the intensity by a lot. Okay, now you can do this if you have applied by mistake a lot of product, but I could have still blended it. Just to show you this trick, I did that. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to be doing the same on this side and it will be all blended. So as you can see, it looks so blended right now and everything. And yes, I have hair over here. I don't like to shave them or whatever. I'm just happy with it. So if you do have them as well, don't bother if you don't like shaving or anything. I don't like that as of right now in my life. So if in future I don't know. I never say never. Okay, so I don't know about the future, but for right now I'm happy with it. I'm okay with it. I'm okay showing it on camera as well. Okay, so yeah, please, if you have hair over here, it's totally normal. That's why I wanted to show it to you. Okay, now the next thing that I'm going to be doing is applying a cream highlighter. Okay, so what I'm going to be using is the YVP highlighter, which is my favorite highlighter. It's in the shade Goddess, and you don't need a lot. I've taken a little bit on my hands and I'm going to apply it on the highest spot of my cheek. I'm also using just my fingers to blend it in because they are the best, I feel, for cream highlighters. You can get the perfect line or the glow you want with your fingers, and the warmth of it, the cream blends very, very nicely. I'm just taking a little bit like this. Okay, and I'm going to just blend it out. So yeah, it looks very blended. I didn't want to do a blinding highlight today, but yeah, it looks really nice and glowy and I really like it. Okay, now remember, I have not set with the compact yet because all of these products were cream. So after powder, it would have been hard to blend them all. Okay, so that's why I didn't set it with the powder. Now I'm going to be set everything with powder, but keep in mind, don't go over too much with highlight because the powder is matte. Okay, so we don't want it to make your highlighter matte, so go very slightly over there. So the compact powder I'm going to be using is by Lakme 9251. This is great for everyday wear. Now my face is all set to apply other makeup on. Now I'm going to be applying my blush. The blush I'm going to be using is from the brand My Glam. It's the K Play range. I have not used it ever, so this is also the first time that I'm going to be trying it with you all. So let's see how it works out. Okay, so yeah, it looks really nice and the packaging is very classy too. So I really like the packaging. I hope the products perform as well. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking my brush in. Not take a lot when you are trying a new product. Always take a little and blend afterwards. Okay. Wow, it's really pigmented and I really like that it blended out really nicely. So yeah, for the first impressions, I'm quite impressed with this one. Okay, now for my eyes, I don't have any eyeshadows because I don't own any one which is from Indian brands, but I do know brands which are Indian that do make, but I didn't want you to buy just for this video. So the brands I know that make are Nykaa, Sugar, Pack. So yeah, I know these brands which make Tan Beauty Real. Okay, so these brands do make, but I don't own any of them right now because I didn't want to buy just for this video. Okay, so I'm just going to be skipping eyeshadow altogether and I'm going to be applying my eyeliner. The kurti of mine is blue. I wanted to apply a blue liner. Okay, so the one I'm going to be using is from Lakme. Okay, it's the iconic range one in the shade Royal Blue. It's a shimmery blue. Okay, it looks really nice. It is long wearing and I really like it. Okay. Look with my blue eyeliner, so I wanted to coordinate with my outfit. Okay, now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows and my eyelashes offline, off camera. Okay, because I don't have any Indian products from that category, so just I'll do that and I'll be back. So my look is almost done and to be honest, I'm really liking it. It's a very simple everyday look with a twist of blue on the eyes. Okay, you can do this as well. Even this base is great for, like, you know, a little brunch or something like that. Okay, so now I'm going to finish off by applying a lipstick which is from Sugar. It is one of my favorite shades and this particular shade is Peachy Little Liars. This will suit everyone. Okay, till up to dusky skin tones. Definitely dusky skin tones, for you it may be a nude, but for everyone it will be a pink, proper pink. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to be applying it. It's a very, very pretty shade. a beautiful shade. I absolutely love it. Okay, so here is my final look. I hope you guys liked it. I've used all the Indian brands because I want to support the initiative of using more Indian brands and supporting our own country. Okay, so yeah, I really like this look. If you like more such tutorials on using makeup from Indian brands, let me know in the comments below. I may even buy a little stuff from Indian brands. These were all that I already own and really like as well. So yeah, I'm also be doing a tutorial on cruelty free makeup brands, so stay tuned for that because I am now cruelty free. I only buy from brands which are cruelty free. Okay, so everything you see on my channel, in most cases it will be cruelty free. Okay, unless the ones I show which I have from before being cruelty free. So yeah, I hope you guys like today's video. Let me know in the comments below, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel and ring on the notification bell so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram. I upload way too frequently there over the reels, in my post, and I give a lot of time to my captions because I give you makeup knowledge in depth over there as well. So yeah, if you like it over there, make sure to follow me there as well. Till next time, bye bye.